What time did you two get back in last night then?
I can't remember. Felt like death this morning.
I told you not to mix your drinks.
It felt like such a good idea last night.
Silly boys. Should have gone home when I did. Had a burger and chips on the way home. I could have cried, it was so good.
That's my girl.
Right, I'm gonna go for a swim, clear my head. Fancy it?
No way, man. You'd freeze in there.
No, I'll go in. Can't be that cold.
That's the spirit. Come on, don't be such a wimp.
I'll stay here just in case someone needs to call 999.
Great thinking, you. Ready?
Let's go.
So leave a message and I'll get back to you. Ta-ra!
I thought you were coming to give me a hand at 6 o'clock. Can you let me know, is that 6 o'clock proper time or 6 o'clock your time?
See you later then.
Bye.
Sean! Got it! Got it!
Hiya! Oh, sorry, I thought it was...
Michelle. Yeah. She was supposed to be here an hour ago.
I don't know where she is. Oh, hang on a minute, that'll be her at the door.